No battery. But this iPad is.
Facebook.
This iPad is what now?
iPad.
It's not a phone.
No, it's not a phone. It's like the iPhone. Yeah, but it's bigger. It's bigger. It's not as big as
Okay,
that.
what's the difference between an iPad and an iPhone and a laptop?
It's big.
Okay, so why would you want to go carrying a big thing when people normally want to go for a smaller thing?
Because size matters. What can I say? Yeah, it's what happens. It's a bit like a laptop.
Okay.
It's smaller.
Mm.
It's bigger than an iPhone, and you can get all the.
You can use it as a phone?
No, you can't use it as a phone, but you can use it to draw, and you get all the applications. You get an iPhone on it.
No, okay, but then see, you're saying it's like a laptop, correct?
Yeah.
So you can check mail, you can.
It's a tablet PC.
Avesh,
Tablet PC.
which is what?
Tablet PC
Avesh.
is something you can. It's like a notepad.
Okay.
It's like written.
Word notepad?
It's like a notepad.
Yeah, it's like notepad.
Yeah, it's like a notepad.
So, but you can send mail and all that.
Yeah, you can. It's got Safari in it. And it's also got. What else has it got?
What is this? Got nothing else.
Then why are you buying it?
You just said it's like this and all that.
I don't know. Ask it.
What's this? Santosh.
What?
What's your problem?
What are you calling him Santosh?
I was saying Sushil. I always call him Sushil. What to do?
I'm not sure shit. No, buy that.
This very Carol has become so
But
fat, man.
you said that you can't send
You
mail.
think
and
she's
all.
pregnant again when this Carol?
Yeah, but listen.
Send mail.
What if she's not gonna allow him to buy
It's
an
got
iPad?
all the functions of iPhone, plus a few more.
But you can't make a call.
You can't.
Yeah. So it doesn't have all
You
the
didn't
functions.
try.
But why do you need to make a call? You have a mobile phone to make a call. Yeah.
Get an iPhone. If it's got all the
iPhone,
functions
you
of
can't
an
get it, man. That's the problem.
Why you can't get it?
You can't get an iPhone. It's $36,000, man, for an iPhone.
Yeah, see, okay. You're buying an iPad. How much is this iPad?
Same price.
How much is the iPad?
The
But
same
it's
price.
bigger.
And it's bigger and it's more capacity.
Okay, but then you can use an iPhone as a phone. You don't have to go and spend extra and buy a phone. But
I'm
here
not
for
buying
an
a phone. I'm
iPad,
using my old phone.
that's what we'll say this year. 6 months afterwards will be, I need a phone, I need a phone.
But he wants an iPad.
He wants a lot of things.
Just get him an iPad for the moment.
Then you get the baby.
Baby, one vacuum it.
Yeah, what about a baby, Danny? What about a baby?
You're there now, Amit.
An iBaby. We
You're
need
there,
an
no?
iBaby.
Hey. You know that.
Hey, look at how fat these people are, man.
Ooh,
This is our cousins in Bangalore, man.
How did you get that photo?
don't record that.
They're your friends on Facebook.
No, they're not.
Caro and Tina, man.
Who are they? I can't know them.
Dude, it's your Facebook page, dude. And then
Tina. Who's that?
Caro, Tina, Cynthia and these children, man.
Who's India? Since you don't know, right?
You know who Avinash is?
Oh. That girl.
Which girl?
The one who is on my Facebook page. One of them is a friend of mine. I don't even know what she is.
That's Sheila. Tina, Caro. They're all like baby elephants here, man. Shit.
Why do you do that?
Because he likes fat dude, baby elephants.
That's why he's called the naked bubble.
The naked bubble.
Hey, but wait.
What did you put in the street?
I see, dude.